Majesty, Otumfuo Nanauze Tutu II, Chief and Queen Mothers. It is with great emotion that I stand here today to present to Your Majesty 7 historical artworks, some of which were looted from the palace in 1874, and others that were part of the indemnity that the Asante were forced to pay to the British at the end of the Sagrenti War. The history of these objects has become evident to us through research that Dr. Erica Jones, here with me today, recently conducted on the collection that the Fowler Museum received from Sir Henry Wellcome 60 years ago. Once this information was clear, we knew that these objects needed to come back to Your Majesty and to the Asante people. This journey for us started over 2 years ago, and it would not have been possible without the fundamental contribution of Professor Kwesi Ampene from Tufts University, who guided us at every step and helped us bring this to your attention so that we could plan the proper way to return these works. I want to also acknowledge my colleague, Dr. Rachel Rayner, for navigating the complicated shipping logistic at exceptional speed. We're also grateful to Mr. Ivor Ajamandua for assisting with government diplomacy and quite literally clearing the road for us so that we could bring these pieces safely to Your Majesty on this day. These works are now here and forever returned to the Asante people. These pieces have had a long and troubled history, and they're witnesses to tragic moments in the history of the Asante Kingdom. They are also a testament of the long tradition of beauty, artistry, and craftsmanship that have made Asante art famous throughout the world. We are delighted to see them come back to the palace and to the descendants of the rightful owners. As we return these objects today, it is our hope that this will not be the end of the story, but the beginning of a new relationship. Museums love to shine light on beauty. At the Fowler Museum, we will no longer have these wonderful pieces on display. We are honored by your offer to have replicas made for us so that we will, however, have the opportunity to tell our visitors a better story in our gallery, one that does not glorify the violent history of the past, but foregrounds respect and highlights the contemporary importance and vitality of Asante culture. My colleagues and I are grateful to Your Majesty for allowing us to present this work to you on this 150th commemoration of the Sagrenti War, and look forward to collaborating with the Palace Museum in the years to come. Thank you.
Okay, they say you can go ahead and open.
Assalamu.